Hello everyone, I'm Len Davis. I'm the Chief Executive Officer of Spectrum Multimedia Hollywood, which is based in Hollywood, California. I'm a 45-year professional with regards to production, and that it covers all areas of production, which I can offer to you as your personal tutor. So whether you want to run through a production from start to finish, the pre-production steps, working out budgets, getting all your scripting in place, getting all your casting, all your filming, your crew, your locations, permits, insurances, all of that sort of stuff that needs to be put together on your production. During the filming itself, scheduling and how to put things together and how to turn a script into a shooting schedule, taking all sorts of things into account. Post-production is a major step. Editing, whatever system you use, we can show you some tricks and tips which will hopefully make things work better for you. Audio, music, all the aspects of production, both pre, practical and post. And there's a lot of things you can learn, so I look forward to being your tutor. And even if it's only a part of that process that you need to learn, if it's only editing, for example, then I've edited a few award-winning shows as well, so I've got a few little tips and tricks which I'm sure you would enjoy. So I look forward to being your tutor. So please feel free, sign up, and I'll be seeing you soon. Take care.